My name is Michi Dayan Angeles.
Ako si Raf.
Ako si Rosewell.
As an environmental student, kailangan din namin ma-expose sa aquatic areas.
I expect to learn a lot.
Feeling ko mas matapang na ako mag-dive after. Kasi meron ng introduction, tapos explain na rin kung paano and yung mga risk.
Enroll na kayo. CO2. It's a great community to be a part of.